record, Speaker Martin will not resign. He will not step down.
There's no reason for the Speaker to resign or step down. The clamor is not among the members who gave their full trust and confidence in him. Majority of the members of Congress has again thrown their support to him, believing in his leadership. So yung gusto lang na magkaroon ng palitan yung nasa labas. Sino ba yung nasa labas? Diba? Remember, the members of this chamber represents their respective districts. And majority of the people in their respective districts has given their full trust and confidence to their representatives. And the representatives has given their support to the Speaker. So, isang matibay yun na rason para manatili ang ating Speaker sa liderato.
Yung kung sir kasi nagbababa daw siya, magre-resign daw siya.
Yun ang hindi ko naman, honestly, wala akong narinig na merong ganon. No? Kung meron man, it makes no sense sa akin. No? It doesn't really make sense. Kasi bakit? No? Habang 90% ng kasamahan mo ay naniniwala at sumusuporta sa'yo, then you will resign. Bakit? Di ba? Hanggang ngayon, nananatili ang mayorya ng membro ng Kamara na sumusuporta sa programa at sa liderato ni Speaker Martin Romualdez. Walang planong mag-resign, walang planong pagtatanggal, at wala ring plano na magkaroon ng palit ng liderato dito sa mababang kapulungan.